Hi everyone and welcome to Mom Makes Stuff, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a crochet cigarette. So let's get started. You will need some yarn. I'm using acrylic 4-ply yarn. You can use thin yarn as well for making the cigarette. I'm using this orange shade for the base and then this white and the black and red colors. Then you will need a crochet hook which is 3 mm, which is I'm using, and you will need some stuffing and a pair of scissors and some keychains. So let's get started. So firstly, with this color we are going to make a magic ring. So for making a magic ring, I'm going to wrap the yarn around my fingers, making a cross in the back and two parallel strands in the front. Then I'm going to insert my crochet hook under the first one and over the second one and pull up a loop and twist it and pull another loop and make a chain. After making the chain, I'm going to remove this from my hand and wrap the yarn around my finger like this. So you can see I've made the magic ring. Now we are going to make 6 single crochets in it, which means I'm going to insert my crochet hook into the magic ring, pull up a loop. So I have 2 loops on my crochet hook, yarn over and pull through both 2 loops. Okay, so we are going to make another single crochet as we made the first one. So we are going to insert our crochet hook into the magic circle, pull up a loop. So now we have 2 loops on it, crochet hook, yarn over and pull through both 2 loops. So this is our second single crochet. We are going to make 4 more, repeating the same pattern. So once you make 6 single crochets, we are going to pull this loop and close the magic ring. Once you close the magic ring, we are going to make a slip stitch into this very first single crochet we made. And now make a slip stitch. For making the slip stitch, we are going to pass this first loop out of the second one. And now we are going to chain one. Now I'm going to make single crochet in every stitch, and we are going to repeat this, but I'm going to make single crochets in this back loop only and not in the whole stitch. So I will show you. This is the back loop. We are going to make single crochets in. So I'm going to make 3. Make single crochets in all the back loops. 4, 5, and 6. So once you make 6 single crochets in the back loop, now we are going to make a slip stitch into this very first space and make a slip stitch and chain one. So once we make single crochets in the back loop, now we are going to chain one and make single crochets for the next 4 rounds. So which means I'm going to make single crochets for the next 4 rounds. So this is our first round, second, third, and now I'm working on the fourth one, and we're going to make 2 more in total to make the 6 rounds with the orange yarn. So I'm going to keep repeating the same process, making single crochets in every stitch and making slip stitch in the end of each round and chain one at the beginning of each round. So once your last round is complete, make a slip stitch, chain one and cut off the yarn. So now at this point we are going to stuff the cigarette a bit. You can use a thin yarn as well to make it more thinner and smaller. I'm using 4 ply, but it's totally up to you which size or which ply of yarn you want to use. So with the white yarn, make a slip knot and change color. So I'm going to insert the white color and chain one. Now we are going to make rounds with white. Single crochet in every stitch. And then make a slip stitch. So now we are going to repeat this. We are going to make 7 more rounds with the white yarn. So we are going to repeat the same process. We are going to make single crochets in every round, 6 single crochets in every round, and then make a slip stitch. You are going to make 7 rounds in total with white after making this starting one round, which means we are going to make 8 rounds with white. So I have already made 2. Now I am going to make 6 of them. The rest of 6. Once you make 5 rounds or 4 rounds, add stuffing. Okay, so once you stuff, now we are going to make the rest of 3 rounds and I will meet you back. So once we reach the last round, we are going to make a slip stitch, chain one and cut off the yarn. And then we are going to stuff it. And insert this slip knot onto the crochet hook. Pull up a loop. And now we are going to make 1 single crochet in every stitch. After that, we are going to make a slip stitch into this very first space. Chain one and cut off the yarn. Stuff it with some more stuffing. So for the last round, I'm going to use this black one and make a slip knot with it. Insert it into the stitch. Make 6 single crochets. And then make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Keep the end a bit longer so we can weave it in and close the circle. So now I'm going to add a bit of more stuffing. And then I'm going to close this magic circle by weaving in the extra yarn. 1%. So with the extra yarn, we are going to weave in the ends. Once you close the magic circle, now we are going to weave this yarn in. And your secret is complete. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.